Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your time? Let's ditch the chaos and build a supercharged automation machine by hosting N8n on Hostinger. First up, you'll need a Hostinger account and a VPS. That's a virtual private server. Log in and navigate to the VPS section. If you don't have a VPS yet, Hostinger offers several plans, so pick one that suits your needs. Once your VPS is up and running, you'll need to connect to it. Hostinger provides a web-based terminal, or you can use your own SSH client. You'll need the VPS IP address, username, and password, all found within your Hostinger VPS management area. Once you're connected, we'll install Docker. Docker simplifies deploying applications like N8n. To do this, you'll need to run a series of commands. These commands update your server's package list and install Docker along with Docker Compose. Next, create a directory for your N8n setup. Navigate into it and create a Docker composable file. Inside this file, you'll define how N8n will run within Docker, including the image to use, port mappings, and any necessary environment variables. You can find a sample Docker composable file in the description below to adjust. Now, with your Docker composable file configured, it's time to launch N8n. Simply run the command docker compose upd. This will download the N8n image and start the container in detached mode, meaning it runs in the background. Finally, access your N8n instance by navigating to your VPS IP address in your web browser, followed by the port you specify in your Docker composable file, which is commonly port 5678. Create an account, and boom, you're in. You've now successfully hosted N8n on Hostinger, opening the door to countless automation possibilities. Start building your workflows and reclaim your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.